you affiliated to?
Reuters.
Reuters. Okay, interview me now. Go. Come on. What is your question?
How do you feel right now seeing your former president going?
We are enraged because we love President Duterte. He loved the Philippines first. That's why we love him. There is no fairness here. ICC doesn't have any jurisdiction in the Philippines. We are no longer, and we are not part of the International Criminal Court, and the International Criminal Court doesn't have any jurisdiction in the Philippines. We insist and we give our petition to release Duterte because he did not receive proper, there's no proper jurisdiction, and he did not receive due process. He was illegally taken from the Philippines. They kidnapped him going here in the Netherlands. That is not how you were saying we should follow the rule of law, but the ICC themselves, they're not following the rules to give him due process. We are crying for due process for President Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
May siren eh. So that means, eto po.
Excuse me po.
May siren.
Nasa loob na po si Duterte ngayon. Ito, may police. Thank you po sa sending heart. Ito po ngayon. Ito na po sila ngayon. Nakapasok po sa detention center. Thank you po sa nag-send ng rose. Thank you po. Bumiyahe pa po kami ng malayo para lang dito, para lang kay Duterte. Of course. so much, police po.
We love you! We love you, Tatay Digong!
Duterte!
Andito kami supporters mo! Duterte!
Duterte! Duterte! Duterte! Duterte!
Duterte!
Oh, nakakaiyak.
Duterte! 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 Duterte!
Duterte!
Duterte! Duterte! Duterte! Duterte!
Duterte. Kaya nga eh. Ang dami din kasing tao. Duterte! Oh my God, nakakaiyak. Naiyak ako. Send him back! Send him back! Send him back! Send him back!
Send him back!
Send him back! Send him back! Send him back! Send him back! Send him back! Send him back! Oh, nakakaiyak.
Oh, lights on! Lights on! Lights on! Lights on! Lights on! Lights
Ay,
on!
good!
Send him back!
Send him back!
On!
Send him back! Send him back! Send him back! Duterte!
Wake up!
Duterte! 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 Duterte!
Andito kami mga supporters mo! Supporters mo! Tatay Digong, we love you! Tatay Digong, nagulat mo! Tatay Digong!
Send him back! Send him back! Send him back!
Send him back! Send him back! Send him back! Send him back!
Send him back! Send him back! Send him back! Send him back! Send him back!
Send him back!
Send him back!
Send him back! Send him back!
Send him back!
Send him back! Send him back! Ayan ang Tatay Digong! Send him back to the Philippines! Send him back to the
ICC, wake
Philippines!
up!
Send him back to the Philippines! Send him back! We love Duterte! Send him back to our beloved country! We love Duterte! We love Duterte! We are not Duterte! We are not anti-Duterte! We are Duterte fans!
For the Philippines!
For the Philippines!
Bayang magiliw, wala sa silanganan, alab ng puso, sa ditipong buhay, lobang hinirang, duyan ka ng paglayang minamahal, ang sakit ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagdidinig. Ang bituin at araw ng kailan, pag may dinagdidilim, lupa ng araw ng luwalhati pagsinta, buhay na langit sa piling mo. Ang maligaya ng pag may mag-aapi, ang mga talang dahil sa'yo. Send him back! 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 Not here! Let's go! Alam na natin. So daw? Okay. So daw? Follow the rules. Follow the rules here. O baka see you tomorrow.